Hi, I'm Srijit from Webhavi, and in this video we will see how Webhavi can be configured to scrape data from Google Maps business listings. First, let's navigate to maps.google.com within Webhavi's configuration browser and then perform a search. Let's search for truck companies in Poland. And suppose we want to extract the name. And once you follow each listing link, you can extract the address, the website, and also the phone number of the business. So let's see how this can be accomplished using Webhavi. Webhavi is a generic web scraping software which can be used to easily extract data from any website, not only Google Maps. It can be used to scrape data from any website. And before you start configuration, go to settings and click on the advanced minor options and select low as data selection accuracy, which is a required setting for Google Maps extraction. Apply changes, and now let's start configuration. Click on the first result, and in the resulting capture window displayed, click on capture more content option and highlight the name and click on the capture text. Let's give it a name. And as you can see, Webhavi has automatically identified the names of the subsequent search results, and this list loads more data as the user scrolls down. So to simulate this action, go to the configuration pane and enable the scroll to load next page pagination. So now Webhavi now knows how to scrape data from multiple pages by automatically scrolling down the list. Now let's follow each listing link to open the pop-up and scrape additional details. So for that, click again on the first listing and select the open pop-up option. And from the resulting pop-up, you can click and select the address, the website, and the phone number. Let's also close this pop-up by using the click option. And now we can stop configuration. The configuration process, as you saw, is very simple. Now you can start mining. To actually get the data, you can specify the number of pages to mine. Let's mine just the default 2 pages. Click on the start button and Webhavi will load the same page for which we created the configuration, and it will start extracting data. So it's loading 2 pages and it's now scraping the data from the results page. It will now follow each listing link to get the details. I hope you find this video useful. In case you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section, or you can contact us at support@webhavi.com. Thank you.